Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Zami. Today I am gonna explain about toString and equal methods in Java. I will explain one by one what is the meaning of that. First of all, I will move on to my code base. In the code, you can see there is a class called student. Inside the student class, you can see there are two properties and parameterized construct in here. And other class is F class. This one is a main class. I have created four reference of student class inside the main class. Okay, I will explain what is the meaning of toString. Okay, I I get S1 S2 object as a S1 S2 reference as a Sout. I have put two Sout for S1, second one for S2. When I run code, you can see S1 S2 as these. When consider about output, output contains same student value and at mark, but after at mark there is a number. When consider numbers of these, both are different. I will explain what is the reason. When we run the code, according to my Sout, S1, S2 will be print. When print S1, S1 reference will be print as a string. By default, toString method will be called like s1 dot toString, s2 dot toString. I will show you the result. When I manually add toString method and when I run the code, you can see output as same as previously. I mean about the format of the output student at mark and there is a hexadecimal value. Okay, I will explain what is the meaning of toString method. ToString method is used to provide human readable string representation of an object. Okay, but when we print some reference in our class, reference automatically call, compiler automatically set toString method to our with our reference like s1 dot toString, s2 dot toString. Okay, I am going to explain how to override toString method in Java. Before that, I will explain how to behave to default toString method. Okay, inside the toString method, we can see hexadecimal value and class name. and at mark. According to the class, let's think I have another class customer. This when we print reference which is belongs to customer, you can see output as customer and at after that you can see hash code value as a hexadecimal like this. According to our class, toString method result will be changed. In this toString method, return always string values. If we need to override this toString method, we can write the code as we want. I have write another toString method. This one will be override. This one will be override the default toString method. I will show the result of you. You can see object value, student ID and name. Okay, these value print according to my purpose. Like if I need to print some particular variable in object as a string, I can modify to string method as it. That is the behavior if we need to override to string method in our code. Okay, I think you could understand what I said about to string. Okay, I will move on to second one, equal method. Equal method compare content of two objects for equality. By default, the object class equals method checks if two object references point to the same memory location. Okay, I will explain. I have enabled one sout of main class. I have defined four objects inside main class. I am going to check equal method using equal method equality of S1 and S2. Okay, you can see result as false. I will explain. S1 S2 reference contains same content. Student 1, student ID, both are same when we consider two reference S1 and S2. What was happen in here? What is why we can see the result as false? As I said, by default object classes equal method check if two object reference point to the same memory location. That is the reason. S1 refer separate memory location, S2 reference refer S1 in the separate memory location, S2 in another memory location. When we compare using equal method, S1 and S2 result should be false because of S1 and S2 memory location are different. I will explain more using my previous SOUTs. You can see S1, S2 reference belongs. Hexadecimal values are different. That means memory locations are different. That's the reason equal method give us to false value. I think you could understand what I said. Okay, I will explain how to override equals method in Java. Okay, I have equal method. This method has parameters parameter called object. When I pass object to this method, that object cast into student object. Okay, then this student ID and parameter related parameter related student ID will check. When I call my previous S out, you can see through result, but this result will be appear according to my equal method includes logic. But default equal method will compare memory location of reference. But in this method compare student ID and parameter contain student ID whether equal. Okay, I think you can get better understanding with my explanations. Okay, as a last, I will explain a small thing about equal method. Okay, I am going to add S out to S1 and S4. I think you can imagine the result of this. I have assigned S1 reference to S4. Okay, S4 and S1 after assign S1 to S4, both reference point into the same memory location. When I run the code, this output should be true. We check. Okay, you can see output as true. That means S1 and S4 reference both are point in single memory location. Okay, I think you could understand about toString and equals method in Java. Today I am going to finish my lesson and hope to meet on my next video. Then see you.